Hey guys, it's Sydney of Sydney Style, and I'm so excited because today is the first day of fall. Yay! Which in fashion means a whole new set of trends. So first I just wanted to thank you guys for tuning in to last season's A to Z Trend Guide. You guys were so awesome with your comments and your feedback. So much so that I decided to do a whole new season. So right now I am at New York Fashion Week, where I've been going to all the runway shows to find the hottest trends for the season. Now I'm gonna go back to LA soon and break it all down for you guys in a very easy to follow A to Z trend guide. So make sure to check out my blog, sydneystyle.com, so you can see how the models are wearing the hottest trends on the runway. Now beginning next week, the A to Z Trend Guide web series begins, and I'm really excited because every Tuesday and Thursday, I'm gonna bring you guys a new letter, which stands for a new trend, and show you different outfit ideas of how you can wear it at home. So it's really easy, very attainable fashion, brought to you straight from the runways at New York. So an exciting new feature for the A to Z Trend Guide this season is a free year of shoes. So I've partnered with JustFab. If you guys aren't familiar, check them out at justfab.com. They have great shoes. They also have handbags and accessories that I'll be showing you throughout the series. And they're offering one of you 1 full year of shoes. That's 12 months of footwear. So amazing. Now, in order to qualify, here's what you have to do. You subscribe to my YouTube channel and subscribe to JustFab's YouTube channel. And starting next week, make sure to tune in to all the videos, leave comments, share them on Pinterest, Facebook, Twitter. The more active you are, the more chances you have to win a full year of shoes. And throughout the series, I'll be using the hashtag #SSTrendGuide, so if you want to follow along. And you can also show me how you're wearing the trends we discussed, and I'll share some of my favorites on Instagram and Facebook to get all your gorgeous faces out there in the world. So again, every Tuesday and Thursday is a new trend with a new letter, and I'll see you next week to celebrate fall. Bye guys!